All right, you guys, this is a quick warm-up. You can use this for any of the workouts, right? So we're just gonna start with those shoulders, roll them up and back. Super important to get yourself nice and warm before you do your workout so you do not get hurt, right? Nice big roll, maybe make them a little bit bigger. Taking the elbows up. And one more time. And then bring that ear to the shoulder. Roll it down, ear to shoulder. And one more time, ear to shoulder. Relax the arms down by your side. Last one, roll it over. All right, take that right arm, big circle up and back. Lengthening through those fingers. And one more time, this arm. And then switch this, big reach up and back. Opening up through that chest. Last one, arms in T, thumbs back. Open the chest, and then you can round. Again, open the chest, thumbs reach back, exhale, round it forward. And as you're rounding, right, you want to tuck your tailbone, kind of curl under there, and then open up. Last one here. Good, both arms reach up and back. And start to use the legs. And then let's start to alternate them and start to make them faster here, so you have to brace your core. And then reverse that circle. And let's add a twist here, so just arms are bent up at chest level. And the option is to just lift the heel up and a nice rotation. It can be slow, it can be a little faster here. Last two, and then hands by your head, just a nice side bend. All right, still warming it up, so we just kind of go a little bit deeper with each bend that we go into here. And last two. Bringing the legs in, just start with your squat and stand up. So it depends on how your legs feel at this point. So if you want to go a little faster, you can go a little faster, or just keep it at a nice pace here. Pressing into the heel. So having good form and technique is really important. It sets that intention for your workout. Last one, and then let's start to lunge back and reach up. So lunge back, reach up, and switch. So we get that hip flexor a little bit activated with the arms reaching up. Big length in those fingers. One more each leg. And then we're going to take the legs wide into sumo squat. So turn out and then dropping down and rising up. And so the point of a sumo squat is that we want to keep the knees pushing outward so we activate the back side of the body here, those glutes. Now come down, put the hands down, straighten the legs, bend the knees, come on up. And then we'll do some arm option here. You can reach the arms all the way up. Hands go down, straight the legs. Give me one more of these. And then bring those legs in, crescent, knee comes up and around, switch the legs. Open up that hip. Work on some balance. Good, again, knee comes up as high as you feel that you can. One more here. And then we're just gonna lift those heels and then the toes, kind of rocking back and forth. Shoulders back, zip up in the core here. And then into a little light jog. You can walk, you can jog. Get those heels to your butt. And the knees come up in front. Athletic arms. And then a big inhale. Woo. And relax it down. You guys are nice and warmed up here.